This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 2.5-liter inline 5-cylinder engine. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. A certified pre-owned Volkswagen offers you peace of mind with benefits including a painstakingly detailed 112-point inspection process, a 2-year 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty with no deductible, and 2 years of 24-hour roadside assistance. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Union Volkswagen is located at 2155 Route 22 West in Union. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.